Hello, welcome back. It's been honestly a while since I've been on this thing. Dang. Bro. This is kinda awesome. It's been forever since I've recorded an Animal Company video, but welcome back, guys, to Animal Company. The last time I played this was, almost a year ago at this point. What's my cat doing, bro? The freak. Let's see. It's taking a while to load. Oh my lord.
You like my pipe?
Why did he
You like my
lie to
metal
us?
pipe?
I remember the exact code we used to go to every day. TMW. It's only me in here. This place is awesome. Oh lord. This is just a kinda like revamp video. Or like a welcome back video. It's been like forever since I've played this. I guess I kind of rare items. I'm not really sure. Very laggy. Play that. You can buy the polar bear now. I don't think it used to be. My color's still cool. A zombie gorilla? That's cool. I just want the regular gorilla. What kind of outfit do I even have on? None. Only 370 coins? I'm broke. Oh lord. Oh, I actually kind of want that. It was way too expensive. Oh, my head hurts already. It's been forever since I played this. I'm gonna put on the elf outfit, you know. What kind of hat do I want? I don't really want that hat on. You gotta get the elf outfit on. Come on. Let's get the top hat on. Might as well. Oh, dang, they've actually added a lot of stuff. Oh, the microphone. I have 1 million coins. Is that even good in today's economy? Probably not. Okay, how do I change my air character? I just want it to be a monkey again. Gorilla, whatever. Oh, I actually look fresh. Let's see what's new about this game. Am I still recording? I'm not sure. Oh my lord, they still got that. Oh my. They still actually got a lot of stuff. Free candy bucket. Oh, I gotta do that. How do you join their Discord? I don't care. What are we even doing over here? I'm just trying to, where's my keyboard? Chorus. Yes, guys, Chorus is back. Required? I don't know. I'm gonna just choose like a random April 2nd. Let's go like 1988. That's not when I was born, though. I ain't giving up. Are you a human? Duh. You think I am a robot? Hurry up. It's gonna take forever. Please click on the object that's different. That. I clicked on it. Skip. Oh, my head hurts, bro. Uh. I can't even see. A shopping cart? I don't know. I'm gonna do this later. How do I X out of this? The freak did I just do? Did I claim it? So I joined their Discord. Oh, what's over here? This is new. Last time I've played. Okay, we're gonna have to save that for another day. That's pretty cool. This kind of sucks being lonely. We got the candy bucket hat. This can probably be a quick video because my head is already hurting over here. I got a candy bucket hat. Kill. Okay, well, sorry to say, guys, but I think I might honestly end the video here because my head is already killing me from these. The last time I've played VR is like almost a while ago. This is gonna be kind of like a quick little welcome back video. I'm back, of course. I'm still Koros, of course, because I'm Koros. But like I said, today is just a welcome back video. I might be posting more Animal Company videos, maybe. I'm not sure. But before we leave, I gotta check. Do I have like a bag on? Forget. Oh yeah, the stash. Light bulb arrow, pink backpack. Oh, those are rare. Y'all can tell me in the comments if any of this stuff is rare. Pickaxes, I don't know if those are good. Haunted house key, painting, dynamite, black crate. I don't know, bro. It's a long time since I've been here. That's like the shiny crate. I know the stuff is old, but are they good? That's my question. This place has changed a lot, Lord. Whoa, should I go down here, guys? I'm scared. There's no way to get back up. No! No! Oh, that was anticlimactic. No! Come on, fall down. We're saving this for another video, guys. I'll see y'all later. Have a good day. Bye.